Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Kurgo Dog Leash. The Kurgo Quantum Dog Leash can be converted into 6 different leashes and leads just with a simple carabiner adjustment. It can switch from a 6-foot lead to a shoulder or waist leash for hands-free use, to a double dog walker. A floating padded handle provides you with the utmost comfort and support in every configuration. Great dog leash for running with your pup. Hands-free dog leash converts into 6 styles by adjusting the carabiner, around the waist, over the shoulder courier style, double dog leash, tether to help hitch your dog, 6 feet leash, and 3 feet training leash. Adjustable dog waist leash can be used every day for walking, running, and hiking. Hands-free running leash allows you to carry other essentials on your travels together. Leash is adjustable from 48 to 72 inch. Pet leash is reflective for visibility in low light and nighttime. Made of strong nylon webbing. Running leash for dogs has a padded handle so you do not strain your hands if your dog pulls. Helps you maintain control over your dog. Number 2 in this best dog leash and collar list is 2 Hounds Design Dog Harness. The 2 Hounds Design Freedom No Pull Harness features a martingale loop on the back of the harness that tightens gently around your dog's chest to discourage pulling, as well as a front connection for ultimate control. Easy to use and comfortable to wear. 4 adjustment points plus Swiss velvet lining prevents rubbing. 2 connections give you better training results with your dog. Recommended by veterinarians, trainers, and dog behaviorists worldwide, helps you train your dog. Stainless steel hardware and super strong nylon webbing. For details, let's watch more. Our third pick is Max and Neo Double Handle Dog Leash. This double-handle reflective traffic leash is designed specifically to be used as both a regular leash and as a short leash for when you and your dog are walking near busy roads or in crowded spaces. The leash has 2 fully padded neoprene handles, which are much more comfortable than normal leash handles and will prevent redness, chafing, or blistering on your hands. At 6 feet in length, the leash has a handle at the end, like a normal leash, but also has a handle located 10.5 inches from the gunmetal finished bolt snap collar clasp. This second handle allows you to keep your dog much closer to you and gives you greater control over your dog's movement. This is really important when you are walking near busy roads or in areas crowded with other people or dogs. The bolt snap collar clasp is made of high-quality metal with a gunmetal finish, and we have also added a gunmetal finish D-ring to the leash so you can easily clip on attachments like poop bag holders. The entire leash is stitched on both sides with reflective 2mm wide stitching to increase your visibility at night and for added safety for you and your dog. Fourth pick in our best dog leash and collar list is PetSafe Nylon Dog Leash. This traditional leash helps you maintain a secure connection with your pet while on the go or enjoying the outdoors. Simple, classic design with durable construction means more secure walks for you and your pet. A variety of color options complement PetSafe martingale collars, easy walk harnesses, and gentle leader head collars. The sturdy metal clasp swivels to discourage leash tangles and offers a quick, secure connection to your dog's harness or collar. One-piece construction ensures long-lasting durability and superior strength. PetSafe nylon leashes are available in multiple lengths and widths, so you can choose the size that works best for your dog or cat. Last in this list is Logical Leather Dog Leash. Leather leashes provide immediate feedback for both the trainer and the student, strong enough to control very large animals, yet light enough not to be a burden for small ones. Logical leather training leashes deliver for you and your canine pals with premium quality leather and reliable solid brass hardware. Logical leather leashes are handcrafted from a single piece of all-natural full-grain genuine leather for a strong, beautiful lead that is easy to use and clean. Logical leather leashes were tested by an independent consumer products testing company. Each leash tested was found to withstand over 245 pounds of pulling force. Requires minimal care, yet feels supple and won't tear at your hands or collect hair like nylon leashes when training, walking or running with your pet. Lifetime of heavy-duty use. Made from a single long piece of beautiful premium-grade leather to last even through extreme conditions, 6 feet long, 5/8 inch wide and 1/8 inch thick.